Hello everyone. Through this video we'll discuss one of the interesting concept of Java, that is your wrapper class. Okay. So before going to the depth of the subject, let us understand why wrapper class is required, because till now we have not used any concept where wrapper class is actually required. Okay. Now for example, today's world is based on internet. Okay. And whenever internet that receives data from the user, it sends to the server. Clear? So here user is present and user will send the data to the server. Clear? So suppose user sends its name, mobile number, then suppose you are doing any kind of online shopping, so credit card details also you are sending, your address you are sending. Okay. So as we have discussed that this is belonging to string data type, so it is considered string object. Address is considered string object, but mobile number, your age, clear, your credit card details, all are belonging to a single data type. Suppose this is integer, this is also integer, this is also integer. Clear? But what happens actually, now the server actually expects this data in the form of objects. Okay. So we are supposed to send objects to the server, not the data type. Okay. So except the name and address, others are in primitive data type. So the primitive data type should be converted to object, and then the object should be sent to the server. Okay. So to do this conversion from primitive data type to the corresponding object, we need a wrapper class. Okay. So that means a wrapper class contains a field where it stores the primitive data type. Okay. So when we create an object to a wrapper class, it carries the primitive data type within it, and hence the object can be sent to the server. Now it is the responsibility of the server that it can retrieve the primitive data types from the object and it uses it. Clear? Okay. So basically, if we will consider that what is the need of wrapper class, now Java is actually an object oriented programming language, and you have to deal with different objects. So as in real time, in through internet, whenever you are sending the data, now you are sending through objects. Okay. So all your primitive data types needs to be converted to their corresponding object, and that conversion will be done by wrapper class. Okay. So by using wrapper class, actually we will deal with very important concepts like autoboxing and unboxing. Clear? What is the meaning of these two keywords? We'll see that in later slide. Now normally it is required to convert primitive data type to object, and also object to primitive data type. Clear? Now if you are saying that a wrapper class, so what is wrapper class example? Now see, in Java, every primitive data type is having a corresponding class name. See, all the letters are starting from capital letter. So character data type is having a character class. Byte having byte. So till double, every primitive data type is having a corresponding class name, and these class names are known as your wrapper class, and these are predefined. Okay. Now, coming to the example that we are discussing about, or the concept we are discussing about, what is autoboxing and unboxing? Okay, so let's analyze this example, then we'll go for program. So first of all, you are declaring one data type. Let's discuss the example. Okay, now this integer value I can store in integer class object also. Now, whenever I am writing OB equal to number, automatically the conversion is done from primitive data type to the corresponding object, and that is known as your autoboxing. Okay, so the automatic conversion of primitive data type into its corresponding wrapper class object is known as autoboxing. Clear? Now the reverse one, here we have created the object of integer class. Okay, and we have provided the value 50 to that. I want to store into in primitive data type. So I'm writing number equal to OB. So what I am doing, I am converting the wrapper class object into its corresponding primitive data type. So that is known as your unboxing. Okay. So the automatic conversion of the wrapper class type into its corresponding primitive type is known as your unboxing. Okay. So autoboxing is the reverse procedure of unboxing. Okay. So let's see one simple example so that you can understand. So use of autoboxing. Let's we'll discuss first. So class test autoboxing. Define the main method. Okay. Now I am declaring data type. So integer number equal to suppose 50. Okay. Or make it 500. Not a problem. Now integer class object I am creating. Okay. So I am writing value of, done, value of what? The number. So this is what I have done, converting from int to integer explicitly. Okay, manually you have done the conversion, but if I am writing integer ob1 equal to number, so this is known as autoboxing or automatic conversion from int to integer object. Okay, so this is known as your autoboxing. Okay, so either manually I can explicitly write down this one, or automatically it will be done by whom? The compiler. Okay, so the compiler will automatically write this particular statement while writing number. Okay, let's print the values. So first I'm printing number, then I'm printing ob, then I'm printing ob1. Okay, so let's test this one. Oh, okay, okay. So first of all, here this is system spelling mistake, and here why you have written new here, not required. Okay, let's check. Oh, still the error is there. Integer. So let's make it O capital because it was small previously. Yes, compiled. Okay, so all three values I am getting 500, 500, 500. Done. Okay. So I'm copying this particular program to demonstrate your unboxing. Okay. So while unboxing, what you will do? You will do the reverse one. Clear? So first of all, I am creating integer ob equal to new integer within bracket. Suppose I am writing 25. Okay. Then integer number equal to then the object dot int value. Okay. This is what the method what is required explicitly I am writing. Explicitly converting from integer to int. Okay. But if I need to convert it to automatically, then I have to write only ob. Okay. And this is known as unboxing. That is automatic conversion from integer to int. Okay. So we'll print the values. Suppose I'm printing the value of object first, then number, then number one. Okay. So what you have done? First we have created the integer class object. We have passed the value. Now explicitly we are writing ob dot int value. So the value will be converted to integer and will be stored in number. And finally, in unboxing, the concept of unboxing we are displaying here while assigning the object directly to the primitive data type. So automatic conversion is being done. Okay. So save the file, go to the command prompt. Oh, okay. So let's compile once again. Java C. Forget about the messages, whatever is coming, ignore that one. Yes, I am getting my values 25, 25, 25. Clear? So this is what the use of autoboxing and unboxing. Clear? So in autoboxing, the primitive data type will be automatically converted to what? The object, and here in unboxing, the object is converted to primitive data type automatically. Clear? So let's write one complete example which will put some light, okay, on the concept of wrapper class. So we'll take some corresponding data type. Okay. Done. So first of all, we'll declare some data type. Okay. B value equal to suppose 25. Similarly, short s value equal to 35. Then integer I value equal to 125. Long L value equal to 458 to 568, whatever. Okay, then float value, I'm writing 50.65f. Okay, double I'm declaring d value equal to 36.654 something. Okay, so these are the variables I have declared. Clear? I can declare others also, not a problem, but let's convert from primitive to objects. Okay, so for byte I need to create byte b ob equal to, directly I can write b value. Okay, similarly sort class sob equal to s value. Done. Integer iob equal to I value. Long class object equal to L value. Then float FOB equal to F value. Double class DOB equal to D value. Okay, so you have converted all the primitive data types into their corresponding object value. Okay, so I need to display everything. So let's print system.out.println byte value is kind of bob. Okay, I'm printing the object. Sort value is sob. Integer value is I value. Oh no, not I value, it's iob. Okay, so let's do one thing, one more. System.out.println float value fob. Double value is like dob. Okay, so let's see whether it's working or not first of all. Oh, okay, yes, I'm getting all the values. Okay, so the same corresponding conversion I can do to get the value of what? Unboxing. Okay, now if I want to convert the value from in the reverse category, clear? So what I need to do, I need to write again the conversion. Suppose I will declare some more variables of this data type, and these objects I will directly convert. Okay, so what will happen? Unboxing concept will come. Okay, so through this example at least you can understand how all the different types of data types can be converted to object, and from object to their corresponding data type. Okay, so the rest of the portion for unboxing I am leaving on you to complete it. Okay, what you need to do, object is ready, you have to declare some more variables like this, and you have to convert, and you have to display. Okay, this much you have to do by yourself. Okay, so through this video you have completely understood how the corresponding primitive data type can be converted to object, and object can be converted to corresponding or primitive data type. Okay, so thank you everyone for watching this.